This is my latest 6 foot by 4 foot hornby train set layout. It's from my own design. Just testing it out, see if it all works before it goes to somebody. Kids love it. It's got a few trains running just to see how smooth it is. Used all Metcalfe buildings, which I think look pretty good. Tried to do as much detail as I can. Obviously not to the exhibition kind of standard, but for your basic modeler I think it's not too bad. All good comments so far, so I just haven't quite got the patience to do the exhibition standard, I don't think, but there we go. Maybe one day when we've got the time. Seems to be running pretty smoothly so far, so quite happy with the look of the country station. Collected a bit of detail, got the new Metcalfe little toy slide. They've just done that one recently. It's quite a nice little feature for the pub. This layout was my own design. It's you get a little bit more than a usual track mat on it, so the usual standard hornby, but yeah, I think it works pretty well for what you want. You get plenty amount of trains on it, so nice little bit of challenging work to get them all going and get them all stable. They're just normal standard seafoam trees with a bit of decoration on them. Look pretty, you know, they're alright. And the rest of them are just the old the Chinese wonder. Free postage and packaging. Cheap as chips, brilliant.